Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use diminished sevenths passing chords. Let's take a C major chord. The notes in a C chord are C, E and G, and we say they are chord notes, they belong to the chord. A passing note is a non-chord note which passes in between two chord notes, which are three letter names apart. So for instance, C to E, C, D, E, they're three letter names apart. You can have a passing note D in between. E to G, once again, three letter names apart. E, F, G, you can have the passing note F in between. Now, I'm going to show you how to harmonise the chord notes in a block chord style using the notes of a C major 6 chord. That's a C major triad. Just add the note A and you've got a C major 6 chord. So if you have a melody and you want to harmonise it in a block chord style, you play the melody note with the right hand little finger, the left hand plays the same note one octave lower, and then the right hand fills in the remaining notes in between those two notes. So E, G and A, and there you have the C6 chord. Let's harmonise the note E with the C6 chord. So once again, you play with the left hand E an octave lower, fill in the remaining notes of a C6 chord, G, A and C in between. And then same thing on G, play an octave lower with the left hand, remaining notes from the C major 6 chord, A, C and E. So let's just run up and down the chord notes C, E and G using block chords and a C6 chord. It's a good idea to practice going up and down those chord notes. Now we're going to harmonise the passing notes with diminished 7th chords. If you don't know how to make a diminished 7th chord, a really easy way is to take any note as a starting note, count up 3 semitones from that note, 1, 2, 3, 3 from there, 1, 2, 3, 3 from there, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and there you have the full diminished 7th chord. Every interval in a diminished 7th is the same. So let's go back. We're playing the melody note C, harmonising block chord style with a C6 chord. We're then going on to D and putting a diminished 7th chord. So melody note D, left hand an octave lower, remaining notes from that diminished 7th chord. And we go on to E, harmonise with C6 chord. F is the next passing note. Play F an octave lower with the left hand. Remaining notes from the diminished 7th chord. G, harmonise with the C6 chord. And then back down. And you want to practice that, just going up and down those. You can do it in all different keys, so you can take, say, a G chord. Okay, so we'll use a G6 chord for that. And once again, diminished 7ths on the passing notes. So we start off G, G, remaining notes of the G6 chord, diminished 7th chord on A. On the B, use the G6 chord again, diminished 7th chord on the C, and then on the D, use the G6 chord again. Okay, that's a useful little technique. If you like that, please subscribe and press like. Thank you.